Oxygen measurement is critical for optimizing the efficiency in any combustion process. Oxygen analyzers can help meet emission standards, reduce energy costs, and improve safety. The Rosemount CX2100 gives you the flexibility of replaceable components to extend analyzer life and reduce the cost of ownership. The all-new local operator interface with intuitive screen design and capacitive touch buttons displays essential information in 7 languages to help technicians speed through installation and maintenance tasks. The convenient Quick Connect feature separates the transmitter and probe body for faster repair or replacement without rewiring. Known for its accuracy, the Rosemount zirconia cell provides a continuous measurement of excess oxygen remaining in flue gases, is designed to last longer, and is replaceable to extend the life of the analyzer. Replaceable diffusers are available in stainless steel snubber, alloy, or ceramic styles to suit a wide range of temperature applications. The optional auto-calibration and auto-calibration check features continually measure analyzer accuracy and help free technician time. And the flame safety interlock feature automatically turns off the probe heater when a flameout is detected. The Rosemount CX2100 is available with integral electronics, or the safety-minded remote configuration gives accessibility to the transmitter from up to 300 feet from the probe to reduce the time technicians spend in dangerous environments. Accessories allow for installation across a wide range of process conditions, including high temperature, high particulate, and high sulfur applications. For more information, visit emerson.com/RosemontCX2100.